Ethan Ampadu, chwaraewr pwysig yn nhîm Cymru. Mae'n gadarn yng nghanol y cae ac hefyd yng nghanol yr amddiffyn. Tebyg iawn I fi. A dwi'n clywed bod o'n dipyn o gymeriad. Fatha fi hefyd.
Ethan Ampadu, AMDDIFFYN o midfield.
Ethan, mae yna olwg gwahanol yn eich dirwan. Ti wedi torri dy wallt. Pam gwneud y penderfyniad?
Don't know, I thought, why not have a change? I mean, you kind of have one life, so why not try something else? It's weird because a lot of the Wales fans, seeing online, they haven't taken it too well. But everyone else I know and every footballer I know, they've all liked the change, but it's just not the Wales fans.
Yn amlwg, ti wedi cael y fraint o gynrychioli Cymru. Sut deimlad oedd ar y cae yn y tro cyntaf?
It's probably every child's dream. I know that's such a cliche thing to say, but it's true. Honestly, it was probably one of the best nights of my life in France. It was such a surreal moment for me, and I'll never forget it.
A'r cyfle I ddod ar y cae, ddim jyst ar ben dy hun, ond efo David Brooks, efo Ben Woodburn hefyd, y tri o'ch chi'n agos iawn, teimlad arbennig.
You want to do things with your friends and with your pals, because I'd say that's what we are. To be able to share that moment, all three of us, was such a good feeling. It's something that we'll never forget.
Mae'r garfan I weld yn glos iawn, ond pwy ydi grŵp o ffrindiau di o fewn y garfan?
Everyone gets along with everyone. There's no one that sits out. So you could say everyone's friends with everyone. But if you go on like all day with probably Rabbi, Ben Woodburn, Tyler, Matt Smith. So obviously we've all played together for the 99s as well. So yeah, I'd say that's sort of the close group.
Wedi'r joker yn y garfan, a dwi'n gwybod bod enw di wedi cael ei gyfeirio at cwpl o weithiau. Gei enw I chdi dy hun os tisio?
I'm not sure who said me, I don't know why. I wouldn't claim that, but Rabbi, I'd say Rabbi. And maybe that's why my name's been mentioned, because I'm with Rabbi a lot, so he gets everyone laughing. He's a funny guy.
Reit, atebion sydyn rwan. Yr ateb cyntaf sy'n dod I dy feddwl di. Pwy sydd byth yn pasio'r bêl?
Rabbi.
Pwy sydd bob amser efo'r ffisio?
Ashley Williams.
Pwy di'r person gweitha I rannu stafell efo?
Rabbi again, because I've been roommate with him a couple of times recently, and he's so messy. Like, you can tell whose side of the room it is. Yeah, he's so messy.
Pwy di'r lleia ffasiynol?
Matt Smith.
Pwy di'r mwyaf ffasiynol?
Me.
Ethan Ampadu ydi o, chwaraewr canol cae amddiffynol Cymru. A dwi am roi gwers Gymraeg iddo fo. Ethan, mae'n amser rwan I fi weld sut mae dy Gymraeg di. Dwi'n mynd I roi gair I chdi. Dwi eisiau chdi ailadrodd y gair a wedyn dyfalu be mae'n I olygu. Dyma ni. Cymru.
Cymru, Wales.
Nesa. Pêl-droed.
Pêl-droed. Football.
Nice.
Yeah?
Y nesa. Amddiffyn.
AMDDIFFYN. Defending?
Nice,
Yeah?
nice. Amddiffyn, okay. Defending. Canol cae.
Canol cae. Handball.
Ddim quite. Midfield. That's the translation.
I should know that one, shouldn't I, really?
Iawn. Nesa. PENCAMPWRIAETH.
PENCAMPWRIAETH. Penalty?
Championships.
Championship,
Yeah.
yeah.
Ennill.
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 So, double L.
Okay.
Ennill.
That's double L?
Ennill.
Ennill. Goals? Score?
Win.
Win.
Ennill. Win.
I mean, goals gets you a win, but...
Colli.
Colli?
Colli.
Goals?
Na.
No?
Cymru colli
Yeah.
yn Hwngari ac yn Croatia.
Lose.
Lose. Y nesa, yr ALMAEN.
ALMAEN. Germany.
Germany. Perffaith, Ethan. Ar un ola, cystadleuaeth.
Cystadleuaeth.
Be ti'n feddwl?
It's not custard.
Na.
Competition?
Ethan. Perffaith, boi. Cyn I ni fynd, be am ni gael rhyw challenge fach?
Yeah.
Penio'r bêl nôl ag ymlaen.
Yeah, why not?
Ma ni.
Oh, I'll do this all day. That was good, that was good.
Nice one, boy.
Top.
Champions, world champions headio.
Perfect. Why not?
Ethan Ampadu, diolch yn fawr, boi.
Thank you very much.